Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Kit Valentin Gimagdaw. And today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang power roll sa formula na yan. So, first of all, ang formula ng power roll is the derivative of x raised to n is equals to n times x raised to n minus 1. So, yan po yung formula niya. Makikita niyo po dito na yung n is binabalang po tapos minultiply sa x, saka minus ng 1. So, may problem solving po tayo dito. May problem pala tayo dito. So, find the derivative of 5x cubed plus 4x squared plus x plus 3. So, ayusin muna natin yung problem. So, the derivative of 5x cubed plus 4x squared plus x plus 3 is equal to, ibababa lang po natin lahat ng mga ito po. Bababa lang po natin yan. May 1 po yan siya, baka po magulo yung iba. Pag 1 po kasi kayo po pinapong ilagay. Okay, so 3 times 5x minus 1 plus 4x squared, ay sorry, 2x plus 1x 1 minus 1 plus 0. So, kung makita niyo po, binaba ko po lahat niyan, tapos nilagyan ko lang po ng minus 1, which is sa formula niya po. And, kung makita niyo po, yung number 3, yung 3 po natin is naging 0. Lahat po kasi ng constant sa derivative is equal to 0. So, i-simplify na po natin, ayusin na po natin. So, 3 times 5 is 15x, tapos 3 minus 1 is squared, is 2 na lang, so 15x squared plus 2 times 4 is 8 x, tapos 2 minus 1 is 1 na lang, so yan na lang po niya, 8x plus 1 times 1 is 1, tapos 1 minus 1 is 0, so cancel out na yung x, so 1 na lang natira, at plus 0 is kaypag na po yan. And yan na po yung sagot. Thank you po sa panonood, and hope to see you again in the next video about the product roll na naman.